1718A, so both from Montgomery ISD on the Blue Alliance, and then on the Red Alliance, we have Galena Park High School, 1429B. And joining them, I can't really see their number, 7816. So let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go. So Chaos is the only team with autonomous in this match. They're gonna try to get that mobile goal and score it. Let's see if they can do it. Turn it around, there they go. Drop the mobile goal. Very nice, they get the autonomous bonus. Let's start the teleop in 3, 2, 1, go. There's a score on a fixed goal by the Blue Alliance. Very impressive. 1718A. We haven't seen a lot of scoring on the fixed static goals. Pretty nice job by Montgomery ISD. Looks like they're going to also score in the 20-point zone. Having a little trouble. All right, make sure we're queuing up the next match, guys. If you're in the next match, we need to queue up. Okay, we got about 40 seconds left in this match. 40 seconds. It's still anybody's match here, very close. Red did get the autonomous bonus. Okay, here comes the timer. We got about 20 seconds left. It's gonna come down to the mobile goals. Right now we're tied up, but autonomous might be the tiebreaker. Okay, we have about 10 seconds in this match, 10 seconds. We better get the parking bonus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the match. Very close, very close. Good job by both teams.